Connecting the Wii MotionPlus accessory. First, you'll need your Wii remote controller and Wii MotionPlus. Turn the Wii MotionPlus accessory so that you can see the arrow on the lock switch. Insert the Wii remote controller into the jacket so that the tip fits snugly. Push the wrist strap through the hole in the bottom of the jacket. Next, pull the strap through until you see the cord. Pull the jacket over the bottom corners of the Wii remote, gently moving the accessory back and forth. Press the buttons on both sides and insert the connector plug into the controller. If the cord gets caught, gently give the strap another tug. Be sure to slide the lock switch up in the direction of the arrow to lock it into place. Place your hand through the wrist strap and adjust the strap lock. If the strap lock has a lever, be sure to click it firmly in place. Now you're ready to play. Disconnecting the Wii MotionPlus accessory. First, slide the lock switch down. While pressing the buttons on both sides, pull the accessory straight out of the Wii remote controller and slide the jacket down and away. Pull the wrist strap through the hole and then remove the controller from the jacket. Your Wii MotionPlus accessory is now disconnected. Be sure to place your Wii remote back into its original jacket. Connecting a Nunchuck controller to the Wii MotionPlus accessory. You'll need your Nunchuck controller and a Wii remote connected to Wii MotionPlus. Use your fingers to grip both sides of the cover and remove it. Now insert the Nunchuck connector plug. Turn the controller over and be sure to pass the cord under the hook. Next, insert the tab to secure the cover in place. Now you're ready to use your controller. If your Wii MotionPlus accessory isn't accurately following your motions, follow these simple steps. Place the Wii remote with Wii MotionPlus face down on a table or other stable surface. Keep it still and wait for a few seconds. Wii MotionPlus will calibrate automatically. If you're still having problems, please refer to the Wii MotionPlus Operations Manual or the Wii Operations Manual.